The best things in life are fried, especially turkey. I'm here with my husband and kids. We're waiting on some family and friends to come over, and we're gonna get this thing started. Are y'all ready?
Yeah!
We eat fried turkey several times throughout the year, but it's always the guys that handle this job. But today, Mama's in charge. I just got my first turkey fryer, and these were not nearly as intimidating or expensive as I thought. They're well under $100, and you can pick one up, use it throughout the year if you want to have a shrimp boil or a chili cook-off or anything like that. First thing you have to do is add the oil. Peanut oil is the best choice here. I know that for flavor. The only downside is this is probably the most expensive part of the deal. The oil's about as much as the turkey, if not twice as much, but it's worth it. This is a scary amount of oil, but I did find out that when you fry a turkey, only about a tablespoon of oil is actually absorbed into the turkey. It's almost low fat. Okay, I'm in between the maximum and the minimum line, so I think I'm good here. You do need a thermometer for this procedure because you have to keep the oil at a certain temperature. 350 is optimal, so we're going to heat it up to a little bit hotter than that, so when we drop the turkey in, it won't get too cold. Let's light her up. All right, we have fire. So we've got the oil heating up. I'm going to go get the turkeys prepped, and we're going to have a party. All right, here we go. First, you know I had to get the essential cocktail. Apple cider margarita is my drink of choice today. Here's the big question. To inject or not to inject? My brother would argue 1,000% you have to inject it. I'm gonna tell you, just the fact that it is fried is gonna give it the best flavor. Comment below, all you haters who are gonna be mad that I'm not injecting this. I'll talk to you later. For the best research, I went ahead and bought 2 turkeys. I'm gonna inject the second one. We'll do a side-by-side and see what does have the most flavor. So I'm just gonna do salt and pepper. Maybe a little Cajun seasoning. Yes, I know I'm contaminating everything I'm touching. It'll be okay. I will sanitize it at the end. And you can't be scared of this part. You just gotta get in there. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of Creole seasoning because most fried turkey, it probably originated in Louisiana. So we're gonna give a nod to the Cajun folk. Don't forget the inside. Get in there. I do wanna be sure it's well seasoned because I'm not injecting it. And I want this turkey to win. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it simple. Most of them come with a basket you can sit the turkey in, but I'm afraid the skin might stick to that a little bit, so I'm gonna use the stand that you can also get. You just set him right up in his little chair. If you have thawed out a turkey for this, you need to make sure it is really thawed and dried because oil and water do not mix. So that's it. A little salt, pepper, Cajun seasoning. We're gonna head out and drop it in the oil. Okay, so my oil is about 370, which is gonna be perfect. So when I lower that turkey in, it'll go back down to 350. But y'all need to be careful when you do this. So I've got extra protection on. You have to lower it slowly. This is the scary part. Woo! We have a hose nearby, just in case. Okay. All right, so about 3.5 to 4 minutes per pound. This was 11.5 pounds. So I'm gonna grab my calculator and set my timer, and we'll check back in just a minute. Smells good. While that one goes, I'm going to inject this guy. And I think you just go to town in just different places throughout the turkey. It's turkey Botox. Plump it on up. Just filling it with flavor. This way kind of grosses me out a little more. In all fairness, I'm gonna give it as much flavor as it can handle. I think we're good. We're gonna go check on the other turkey, and eventually we'll put the 2 side by side. Dang, this is more of a full-time job than I really wanted it to be. I can't even go have a conversation because I gotta keep checking the oil temperature. It's dropped now to 300, so I'm gonna crank it up some more, turn it up. I might go back to putting the men in charge. Here we go. This is I don't know, opening the best present ever. If only you could smell it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Listen to that. Look at that beauty. Oh, 43 minutes. It would take 3 to 4 hours in the oven. Maybe I do need the hook. I'm gonna go to the pan real quick. Going in with the injected bird here into the peanut oil jacuzzi. Got it back up to 375. I'm going this time in the basket. So this is another little test I'm doing for you. The oil in here is already seasoned. So if this bird does taste a little better, it is like in seasoned liquid. All right, here we go. "45 more minutes and we'll have our second turkey ready, but I think we're gonna go on and get cracking on the first one. All right, the time has come. People are about to come over here like vultures. This is not when the fancy Thanksgiving turkey carving comes into play. If I don't save this for my grandmother, she will cuss me out. I'm a little worried some of these parts might be a little overcooked. That's because I left it in a few minutes longer because I got nervous that it would be undercooked. You should just always go with what it says. Come and get it. We demolished that first one, and the second one's ready. We're gonna pull this out, bring it inside, and see what the verdict is. All right, we're getting into this one. We're gonna compare, see which one we like better.
The other one was pretty good. Oh.
Yeah.
Delicious.
You like the first one or this one?
I like the first one.
The first one. The verdict is in. The first one is better than the second one, but neither one are bad. You can't go wrong with fried turkey. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. We'll see you next time. Bye. Every day is Friday. Does he have to blow it like right there? What temperature do you heat the oil to fry a turkey? 350. I knew that.